Looking for reliable lab safety without breaking the bank? Meet the refurbished Köttermann 24553 SSD tabletop fume hood, available now at Galileo Scientific. Built in 2011 and fully reconditioned by our expert team, this compact hood is perfect for labs handling volatile solvents, hazardous experiments, and harmful vapors. Plus, it's designed to neutralize odors, keeping your workspace safer and more comfortable. It comes with an integrated fan and an adjustable clear acrylic sash, giving you full control over airflow and easy access to your work area. The powerful extraction system moves air at 320 cubic meters per hour, well above the minimum for effective protection. You'll also get built-in water, gas and electricity services right inside the hood, along with two convenient 16-amp outlets, internal lighting, and an electronic air monitor control that keeps you updated on airflow at a glance. Compact yet powerful, the Köttermann 22453 SSD fits perfectly into busy labs where space matters, with external dimensions of just 900 by 1350 by 640 millimeters. Every unit is carefully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by Galileo Scientific specialists to ensure it performs like new. Reliable performance, trusted quality, and unbeatable value. That's the Galileo promise. Contact us today to learn more.